Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you the Scribus tutorial course overview. So in this introductory video I will just show you what are the topics of this tutorial series I want to teach you. So first, what is Scribus? Scribus is a free and open source desktop publishing software used for making interactive PDF presentations and forms like business cards, eBooks, posters, brochures, and so on and so forth. Scribus software is available for most desktop operating systems. Scribus software is an alternative to Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign software is a paid software. Unlike Scribus, Scribus software is a free and open source desktop publishing software. You don't have to pay to use the Scribus application software. The tools and features I want to discuss or teach in Scribus software are preferences, image frames, text frames, paragraph styles, character styles, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it for course overview and introduction for Scribus software tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.